Hi guys, it is Morgen Schick and I am jumping on this live. Even if you can not watch it now, you can watch it later. This is all about layering products for the best results, the best hydration, the best using your actives. Hi you guys. I'm like running out the door. I've had a super busy day, but if you are like me and you are a mom and you're crazy busy, but you're worried about your making sure that you're using your skincare in the right layers, and I get a lot of DMs about like whether you're using active argan or not active argan or anybody's. Hi guys. I wanted to put this up on Instagram and lives and IGTV, so it's super easy for you to get out the door in the morning. First thing I want you guys to know, in the morning, do not cleanse your skin. I know, if you're a skincare person out there, you're probably like, she's crazy. But what is happening at night when you use all of your actives and you're moisturizing and you're putting on all either expensive products or just regular products? You use those at night, so when your body is resting and your body is recharging and rejuvenating and you're in REM sleeps where all of your cells are renewing, that's the time we want to fix our skin, maintain a moisture barrier, get our pH 5.5, all of that stuff. Hi, you guys. I'm so excited to see you. So this is all about layering, how to do it in the morning, how to do it at night. In the morning, do not clean your face again. You spent all night fixing your moisture barrier, fixing your microbiome, fixing your pH. Why would you wake up in the morning? You weren't digging ditches last night, so do not wash it again. Rinse well. If you want to use warm water and a washcloth, that's all you need to do. When women tell me that their skin is oily when they wake up in the morning, I know they're over-processing their skin. When you wake up in the morning, your skin should be moist, your skin should be calm, your skin should be super hydrated. If you've got oily skin in the morning, it means that you are doing too much and your skin is producing the sebum to try and fix your skin at night. So give me 4 days. It's a 4-day challenge for you. 4 days of every night. Hi, you guys. I'm so excited you guys are all here because I get so many DMs about layering. Wash your face at night with a cleanser. I like a milky cleanser or an oil cleanser, or even an oil like jojoba oil, coconut oil, cold cream from Pond's, like whatever, but nothing with a phosphate or a sulfate or an SLS in the ingredients, okay? Then you wake up in the morning. I'm gonna do it for you. Even though I just worked out, I did my rowing machine, and then I did an arm workout because I had a super busy day. I've already ironed, I've already done laundry, I've done so much already today. So my skin is moist, right? First, I did not wash it. I rinsed it. Skin is moist. I am using a serum that is stem cell. This is active argan. You do not have to use active argan. You just have to use a serum that is an antioxidant, right? Because our day is about protection. Serums are the thinnest. It goes into your skin faster, deeper. So you want the serum to have antioxidants in it. What are they? They protect the skin from free radical scavenger damage that eats up the skin cells, okay? So we want a serum with antioxidants. Don't care if you use my stem cell. Do not care. Find yourself a serum. I have serums that are 5 years old from before I was with active argan because I never went back, and they're totally used. But here's a serum, Cellular Restoration from Neostrata. I'm never going to use it because I'm using mine, but I'm just saying, I don't care whose serums you use, just get it on your skin. Then I let that sink in. Yay, I'm so happy. Not even with water? Oh, I do. I rinse it. I rinse it with water. I just have to. I just like it. It freshens me up. Anyway, so that's from Go Glow, and she's actually a skincare person as well. So I will trust your opinion. So I sprinkle more water on my fingers after my serum. What goes on next? Oils. Half a pump For me, it's active argan all over. I don't care if you don't use active argan. Whatever your oil is, you can either press it in or you can wipe it in, whatever way. I like it with active argan because I like to, water is a delivery system. Active argan is this very small molecule. So water becomes an incredible delivery system. So my skin is calm, my skin is moist, my skin is ready for the day, okay? Now you can leave it there. You could go do your thing, or you could put on a little sunscreen. I have a sunscreen oil, and if you want, you can use the sunscreen oil instead of using your all over drops, or like I do, if I'm gonna be out in the sun, like today I'm gonna be out in the sun. It's beautiful in New York, finally. I'm gonna put on a little sunscreen. It's got an oil in it, so it's super moisturizing at the same time. SPF 30, full spectrum, no toxins. No toxins in my products at all. Now, if you wanna jizz yourself up a little bit, right? Oh, that's all over drops. Where does it? These are bronzing oil. I am going to give myself a little bronzing oil. When do you use Hydro Lockdown and Rejuvenate? Which one is first? Hydro Lockdown is always gonna be last, always. Use your Rejuvenate where you have places that you wanna plump up, or it could be all over your face because people love Rejuvenate. I only used it as a spot plumper, but I barely use it now. So I'm just gonna take a couple drops of bronzing oil. Watch this. This just gave me a tan. Thank you very much. And hello, Anna. My chef who teaches me how to cook, except I'm a really bad student. Okay, so this is if I just wanna have a little tan on my face as I go. What I would do next, I totally wasn't gonna do this, but we're gonna keep going. Let's say we just wanna get rid of our dark circles. I'm gonna use Hide and Highlight, Pure Pigment, underneath my eyes. If you wanted to use clean fingers like this, you could, but don't forget your lid. Here's another trick, you guys. If you are over, I'm gonna go with 20. If you're over 20, chances are most of your dark circles are from the brow bone and the inner eye socket. Do not take your concealer all the way out. I know it's very popular to see this on a YouTube video or an Instagram or whatever. I've never done it. I take my concealer right out to here. Do you see where I just got rid of my dark circles? Gone. And then I take Still Not Available. I'm sorry. I'm trying as hard as I can just to keep America together. We're having a problem getting product from everywhere. I got my order and your concealer. Can't wait to use it. So here's how you use the concealer. Do you see how I'm just taking the lighter Pure Pigment? This one has eye cream in it. So that's the concealer that has eye cream in it for under your eyes. These two are Pure Pigment. So you see how these are the areas where every time I have ever done anyone's makeup, whether it is a 20-year-old or a 16-year-old model or an 80-year-old, newscaster whose makeup I've done, I have used these tricks. Lighten up the areas where the bone structure casts a natural shadow with the one shade lighter, and then use the color that is closest to your skin. Could be one swipe of the darker, one swipe of the medium, and get rid of the ruddiness. Look at how I got rid of this ruddiness right here. And my broken nose. How easy was that? So you don't walk around looking like you're wearing a ton of makeup. Look at how much of my face has no makeup on it. And if you just fix these little areas, all of a sudden your skin just like comes together. I will teach you, Anna, how to use it, because I know it's got a learning curve, but as you know, as a chef, how many times have you taught me how to use a Thermomix and I still need a tutorial? So it's just the way it is. So look at, my hands are clean, so I'm using my hands. Look at how none of this part of my face has any concealer on it. All I did was lighten up this part of my face and get rid of the ruddiness on my chin and on my nose. And all of a sudden, it just looks put together. All right, so let's do one last thing before I go, because I literally have to take my daughter to an orthodontist appointment. I'm going to use a stain for my lips. A lot of questions about this. So let's use Pixie. So I know you can get this. This is from Pixie. This one is called Color Sensational from CoverGirl. I have a million stains. This is from CoverGirl as well. There are so many. This one is from Lip Stain from Palladium. You can find them out there. I'm going to make one. It just takes time. Everything takes time. If I want to get the ingredients that I want, if I want to get the lip stain I want, it all takes time. Okay, so I want you to see this. Do you see, come close. Do you see how my lips are no longer bright pink all around the edges? So you would think, oh, her lips are gone. She needs a filler. No. I want you to see where the ridge of my lip is. So if you take your ear and you put it to your shoulder, you can see I am staining the very ridge of my lip. Do you see that? Now it's only a millimeter difference, but if you add up a millimeter all the way around your lips, you start to have bigger looking lips. Then you don't need a filler. Now, I use a stain because if I were to use a wax lip liner right now, you would see the wax. It's leaving a teeny tiny lift, weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, to the lip, and then it looks fake. I want you guys to think I look like this and it takes no effort. That is what I'm going for. It's all fake, but I want you to think I'm making no effort. Tony, can you use 24 karat ice cream on your lids? Of course. You can use it all around your eyes, everywhere. Do the whole ocular way, because here's the thing. When you're using stem cell, you need to thicken this tissue here, right? Because if you don't thicken this tissue, it starts to droop. And my 56-year-old eyes that are tiny and deep set, if this area of my eyelid gets thin, the whole thing is gonna fall apart. So yeah, definitely use that all around your eyes. Okay, I'm going to use my Supple Balm as my lip balm on top of the stain, and then that's it. And I'm gonna put a mask on. It doesn't even get anything on my mask. Okay, obviously I need to do my eyebrows, but I'm not going to. Still, I would drink the 24 karat Annie. Yes, you're young. Keep drinking that 24 karat stem cell eyes, because if you start young, you stay young, and you know that, and you know how to use the hide and highlight as well. All right, let me just check any other practitioners. I'm throwing away all my foundation. Please throw away your foundation. It's so bad, and that palette will last you 4,000 years, which is why it's so hard to sell, because people don't run out, and that's all anyone cares about is if you're rebuying, and that's really sad. But I'm hoping to be available. I only use it on my deep lines, forehead. Yes, perfect for rejuvenate. That's what I did, and now I don't have them. I do not do Botox. See, I do not do fillers. I might use a little rejuvenate right there. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of one of those, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm using the gua sha tool. I'm using it almost every night, and I'm using it with my all over drops. And I am trying to alleviate all of the tension that I do when I'm stressed out, which, why would I be stressed out? I have an amazing life, but I'm sorry, sometimes I'm still stressed out. All right, I love you guys. I wanna throw this up on IG because I wanted you guys to do the layering. Remember, serums always first. Got it? Then oils, then creams. If you're using an active at night, it's gonna be wash your face, non-sulfate cleanser, then your actives. So if you're using Renew, which is my retinol, I don't care, you can use your retinol, it's cool. Use Renew. If you're using Resurface, which is my high active vitamin C and ascorbic acids, you're gonna use that right after washing. Then let it sink in and use your stem cell serums or whatever your serums are. It doesn't have to be my products. Just get those cleansing, actives, serums, oils, creams. Hydro Lockdown is like a cream. It is the last thing that goes on your skin to hold everything in. I totally forgot to put it on just now, but when I do live, sometimes I'm a spaz and I can't concentrate. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. I wanted to put this up just so you guys had an idea for your layering, and don't wash your face in the morning, okay? Unless you're glow. Don't wash your face at all. Okay, love you guys. Bye.